Welcome back to Wine Down with Erica. And today we're going to make chicken pasta with orzo pasta, I must say. So let's get started. We're just going to take some chicken breast tenderloins. We're just going to chop them up in little pieces, and then we're going to put them in our pan and let them get all nice and brown and nice and crusted, and we're going to add some of our little spices and seasonings to it, okay? So let's get started. So now we're just going to take some of our chicken pieces. We're going to cut them up in cube pieces. Just like so. And they can be big cubes, small cubes, it's whatever your preference. I particularly kind of like my cubes a little bigger. I may surprise myself and do smaller pieces. Just depends on how I feel. Okay, let me do one more. I just want to cut it right down the middle. And you just want to cut it into pieces. I'm going to continue to do this. When we come back, I'll show you what all the spices and stuff I'm putting in. Okay, we got our chicken in there. I'm just going to add some of our seasoning, some pepper, my basil, and some Cajun seasoning, y'all. Now we just want our chicken to get all nice. Because it's going to have like a little brown, little crusty color. I want to make sure all my spices got on the chicken. I said, living the life of a renegade. Yeah, yeah. I just love that Renegade commercial. Those trucks look really, really nice. Okay, so now we just let the chicken continue to get more brown. And over here we have the orzo noodles that we're going to use for the chicken pasta. Nice and soft and firm. We're going to drain this and we're going to put our other ingredients in it. Okay, so now that our meat is nice and brown like we want it, we're going to add some vegetables, peppers, and some onions. Just a little bit to that. Might as well open the whole thing. Vegetables are good. So now we want our vegetables to be nice and sauteed with the chicken. We're going to take this and mix it with our orzo noodles. But there's a couple more things that I want to add to this dish. But in the meantime, I just want to get our vegetables nice and sauteed. Okay, so now we got our meat and our vegetables all nice and sauteed. So now, well, it wouldn't be pasta without any sauce. Some ragu, 4 cheese. We're just going to add this to this. Mix it up just like so. You can add more cheese if you want, but I prefer not to because that was 4 cheese, so we have enough cheese. But me, I like to add a little wham bam to my stuff. You know, hot tamale. So we're going to add a little cream of mushroom. I know you're probably like, what? Cream of mushroom? Trust me. It's going to go so well with this. It's going to be so good. And now you just want to mix this together. cream of mushroom, the 4 cheese, the chicken, the vegetables we have in there. I'm just going to take this and mix it with our orzo noodle. Oh man, this chicken pasta is going to be so good. So while we let this get all nice and incorporated together, I'm going to get prepared to make the finishing touches on it. Okay, so I just took the mixture, the chicken, the vegetables, the 4 cheese, and the cream of mushroom mixture that we had mixed together. I just took that and I just mixed it with my orzo noodles. And guess what? This chicken pasta is complete. Now the only thing left to do is, guess what? Taste it. Ooh, it smells so good. Yeah. Okie dokie. Let's try it, shall we? Ooh, it smells good. I can smell the 4 cheeses. Look at that. Can you see it? Ooh, yeah. Don't worry about my plate. I was eating something else in that plate too. Let's try it. The chicken, the orzo noodles, peppers. Ooh, yeah. And you could bake this if you want and bake it off. But it's so good just like this. So good. And to be honest, I think that cream of mushroom gave it that extra kick and that it needed. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I can't stop eating. I just can't stop. I'm gonna have to get another plate. Stay tuned for next time on Wine Down with Erica.